मुंडा जन्मदिन है आज, फोन करना है, नागपुर गया था सोनू, फोन करना उठे, बधाई का फोन करना है, सोनू मार देनी है, निका सोनू फोन करना नागपुर गया था सोनू,
फोन करना है,
हाँ फोन करना है, सोनू हैप्पी बर्थडे बोलना है, सोनू ना 48 था उसी, 48 था सोनू उसी, सोनू हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, सोनू तुम जियो हजारों साल, साल में 50,000, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू सोनू, मेरा सोनू, मेरा सोना सोनू, मेरा मीठा सोनू, बहुत बहुत बधाई बेबी, सोनू जन्म की बहुत बहुत बधाई है, सारे सुरिंदर तेनू सारे बहुत बहुत बधाई है, विक्की तेनू भी बधाई, हर्ष खुशी सब ने बधाई, मेरे सोनू जी तुम जियो हजारों साल,
नागपुर है गई
50,000, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू सोनू, केक खाओ, केक रानी केक खा, सोनू तू भी खा, सोनू
Happy birthday to you. Sonu say.
Happy birthday to dear darling.
Sonu say.
My बच्चा.
Sonu say. तुम जियो हजारों साल, साल के दिनों लाख हजार. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Hey!
Hi everyone. I know, what state we are going through. Very critical, and the first time watch a virus which has separated us totally. No events, not meeting, no parties. Still, today, my darling Sonu's birthday is there, so I want to sing as regularly I sing. I send him a message. बार बार दिल ये गाए, बार बार दिन ये आए, तुम जियो हजारों साल, साल के दिन हो 50,000. Happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you, happy birthday to Sonu, happy birthday to you.
हर गली का दिल धड़काए, तू जिए हजारों साल.
Who loves to eat sauce,
He loves to sing.
even though if it makes you cringe. मैं शायर तो नहीं.
He always dedicates to his wife.
Who he deeply loves more than his life.
He's a party ki aan baan shaan.
Tasty or any food is his jaan.
Family man to the core.
But lazy to get out once he's home.
He loves to play all kinds of sports.
But bird watching is what he loves the most.
We wish him a very, very good life ahead, full of happiness, love, and good
Good
health.
health.
Wish you a very happy birthday, Sonu.
From Sonia, Agam, Krish, and Mono. Happy birthday, bro.
ये पल की उम्र लग जाए, आए तो कयामत आए, तू जिए हजारों साल, ये मेरी है.
देखो बोल रहा हूँ ना, यही सही है. हैप्पी बर्थडे सोनू, यही सही है. मेरी बात मानना तू, ऐसे ही होएगा. मेरी बात मान तू. हैप्पी बर्थडे सोनू.
My goodness me! Happy birthday, Sonu Baba. Happy birthday, Sonu Bhai from Kivat Bhai.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Baba. Have a good one.
Yeah.
No, thank you.
One more through.
हाँ मैं गावांगा ना यार.
सोनू को मत बोलो गाने के लिए. गुलशन देखो भी याद है.
हाँ.
Hello, beautiful.
नहीं माइक नहीं पकड़ रहा. पापा बैठे.
आज तो सिंगर साथ में हमारे.
आज मेन सिंगर साथ में. इज गोइंग टू सिंग.
ओके मोहम्मद.
ओके पापा इज गोइंग टू सिंग. ओके.
जावे राया तुरिया जा.
हिंदी.
जावे राया तुरिया जा. तनु जख्म दिखा के की रहना तेथो जख्म पछाणे नहीं जाने. तेनु जिगर दिखा के की लेना की लेना की लेना.
क्या
Very good, Baba. One more.
आवाज क्यों बंद हो गई?
हाँ ये चलो. हाँ गुली तू गाल है. हाँ गुली तू गाल है.
मम्मा.
या बस पंगड़ा. हाँ गुली बहुत बिकी आई है. काटू केक काटू.
Yes, come on. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Sonu. Happy birthday to you.
Come on.
It's a brownie cake. I'm not going to waste.
Happy
बहुत
birthday.
मुश्किल से ऑर्डर किया कहीं.
Happy
बड़ी
birthday, बाबा.
मुश्किल से केक मिला. मैं वेस्ट नहीं करूंगी आज. Come on.
Hi Sonu, wishing you a very happy birthday. See, flowers, especially flowers for you. This is the only bouquet you're gonna get from me.
हमने
So-
ढूंढ के ये बुके आपके लिए तैयार
पूरा
किया है,
पेड़
सोनू।
तैयार किया. पेड़ को रिक्वेस्ट किया भैया सोनू का बर्थडे प्लीज ब्लूम. So the flowers bloom today.
फूल खिला है. गुलशन
So have a great
सोनू के
birthday.
लिए.
You've left us and gone. You've gone to Nagpur. You've left us Bombayites, and we are sad. Especially the girls in OS, they are missing you. So what are you going to do about that? Please have a great time in Nagpur. Have a superb birthday.
Happy birthday, Sonu. Have a great and a fantastic birthday. Enjoy in the jungles and have fun.
पेंच में जरूर जाना. Okay? टाइगर नहीं भी दिखे कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. टाइगर्स तेरे घर पे ही है. You know what I mean.
Have a blast. Bye.
Have a good time.
वेरी वेरी हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू यार. पहला सरदार देखा है जो सब दूसरे की लेता है. लगता है हॉस्पिटल में चेंज हो गया है. यू नेवर बीन अ टारगेट. खुद को हमेशा अलग ही रखा है तुमने. ग्रेट एंटरटेनर सुचिता सेट. I remember two incidences. Pankaj's first party where you really rocked it. Second party में जब भी कुछ नहीं किया तभी बहुत लोगों ने याद किया कि तूने कुछ नहीं किया है. You're too silent. So people don't remember when you entertain because that is expected of you. And in that party, what we noticed, Sardar, is lots of husbands were overawed by you. You too were overawed by lots of them. Pata nahi, 2 incidences I remember. One in Lonavala with Pankaj, और पेंच में मेरे साथ में भी कुछ हुआ था ऐसे. So I don't know सोनू intentions क्या है तेरे. बड़ा हिम्मत वाला भी है तू. Driving down to Nagpur during this stage, ऐसे समय पे, ये हिम्मत शायद सरदारों वाली हिम्मत है और इसकी क्रेडिट शायद विकी को जाएगी यार. Yeah. By the way, great father. Remember you dancing in the car with the music blaring, going to drop Khushi early in the morning.
Happy birthday,
Happy birthday, Sonu.
Sonu Sardar.
Sonu, happy birthday.
Man from good family. We were only a Bangkok group till you made the group wild. So happy birthday to the man who lights up all our lives, the center of every bloody party. Good family who attracts all the female attention in the world, all the female attention in OS. I have only one request to you, that please take it easy on Piyush, right? The man is, a senior citizen. You should not do what you do to him. So happy birthday. Keep shining, keep smiling, keep making all of us laugh our guts out and develop abs with all the laughter you send our way.
Vibhav is not
Happy
leaving
birthday.
anything for me to say to you. Okay, I decided that I'm going to dress up a little bit, at least do a little makeup, but I think we're in such a lazy mood of lockdown. So Sonu, you remember this face is a lockdown face. Happy birthday, Sonu. You have a gem of a heart. My daughter loves you to bits and pieces. Whenever she thinks of Radhika and Jatin, she always checks with me about Sonu. So you have a great year ahead. Lots of love, and like Vibhav said, keep shining.
Hi Sonu, wish you a very happy birthday. भाग गया ना नागपुर हम लोग सबको छोड़ के. You are always the life of every party. Our entertainer, and we miss you so much. हमेशा ऐसे ही मूड में रहना, हंसाते रहना, खिलते रहना और पूरी जिंदगी हमारे साथ पार्टी करते रहना. You've always been a person who's always been close to each one of us in his own different way. And the best thing I like about you is that you are so good with your own kids and with everyone. A very genuine person at heart. And I really wish that हम हमेशा ऐसे ही मिलते रहे, गाते रहे, खिलते रहे. Thank you. Bye. Have a great time. Miss you. Enjoy your birthday and hope to see you soon in Bombay.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday dear Sonu Paji. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you जी. केक शेक है तो फिर बुलाओ जी. ऐसे ही तुम बुढ़े होते रहोगे, हमको उससे क्या मतलब बताओ जी. Happy birthday to you जी. कैसी लगी तुमको मेरी फिलॉसफी, पैदा होके भी तुमने ऐसा क्या किया है, धरती पे बोझ तुम बने हो जी.
सोनू की ये पहचान है, सोनू की ये पहचान है कि वो ओबराय स्प्रिंग्स की आन बान और शान है. क्या सोनू? सोनू की हंसी मतलब उसकी कोई ना कोई बाजू वाली हंसी. सोनू क्या हो रहा है? सोनू का डांस देख के हर एक लड़की फिदा हुई, हर एक लड़की फिदा हुई, लेकिन आखिर में सिर्फ विकी ही विदा हुई. वाह। सोनू को चढ़ जाती है एक ही बैग में, फिर उसे नजर आती है सिर्फ एके पीने के बाद एके। अभी बताओ एके कौन है? ये तो सोनू ही बताएगा, हम क्या जाने। और आखिर में बर्तन धोते पोंछा मारते, बर्तन धोते पोंछा मारते सोनू हुआ बहाल, भाग के पहुंचा अपने बर्थडे पे मोहब्बत सिंह के महल और हो गया माला माल। सोनू, हैप्पी बर्थडे सोनू।
Happy birthday to you.
Cruise party, Sonu, up your anchor, cruise party.
Hi Sonu, wish you a very very happy birthday. Have a lovely and a blessed year.
Enjoy. Happy birthday.
Sonu, wishing you a very very happy birthday. Thanks a lot for your invite for your birthday bash on 12th, but since you can say I'm out of town and I won't be able to make it, but we are keeping a big party just for you on 14th at Della. So please grace the occasion and make all the guests so happy to see you and take your autograph load. See you there. Bye.
Hi Sonu, wish you a very happy birthday. As Bobby's already mentioned, we've kept a big party for you on the 14th of April at Della. But from my side, I'm also gifting you a free stay from the 12th at Della. And also we've put your photo outside our house. See you and enjoy yourself.
Hi Sonu, I wish you a very happy birthday and be safe and enjoy your day. Bye bye.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Sonu. Happy birthday to you. When you are ready, I'll be home to you. Happy birthday, Sonu. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Baba.
What are you making, Sonu?
This is tequila shot for my wife on my birthday.
Wow.
This is,
Someone, the nation wants to know your age.
I'm churning 41. Churning.
You're churning?
Yeah.
Or you are turning?
Churning.
Churning.
Churning. Because we are into quarantine. We're not turning, it's churning.
How is 48 now? No, he's
41, yeah.
No, he's fluctuates.
Every year, people's age increase, my decrease.
Yeah, he's in a reverse gear.
Yeah, because we're going, Earth is renovating, so yeah, I'm going reverse.
Yay! Happy birthday to you!
Happy birthday to you! कहाँ शुरू कहाँ खत्म ये मंजिलें हैं कौन सी ना वो समझ सके ना हम
And friends, thank you very much for your wishes and blessings. I really missed everybody this time on my birthday, but soon we're going to meet, we're going to rock, and we're going to live our life happily as we were living. So thank you very much once again, and God bless you all. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you, love you, bye bye.